Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use a Fontawesome icon in our React project. Yeah, let's start. First, we need to install these three. Okay, so copy this, and in my case, I already created a React project and also I'm running this project. So I'm just going to install this package. Make sure to connect internet. Yep. In meanwhile, I just go to importation part. So I just copy this one. Okay, I'll give this link in the description, video description. Okay, no worry about this link. Yeah, here our all packages installed and also our project is also running. Okay, just paste here, and first I'm going to display a coffee cup, coffee icon. So here I already added this, and I just copy this and paste it here. Now this FA awesome icon comes from the React, and we are getting the coffee cup icon from the solid SVG icon. Okay, first I save this. Now yeah, our icon is showing. Okay, this is the specific method to import icon. Here I specifically added a icon here, right? So if you want to, I will show you here. I just open a Fontawesome. Fontawesome, go here and just go here, icons. Here I just add a search. If here I'm going to use a free icons, because if you want to use a pro icon, we need to use we need to pay and get a kit. So right now I just going to this one, and here I'm going to choose this one. Here this is a search icon, right? Okay, this is a brand. We are using a, we are already imported a solid one, right here, right? So I just first display a solid. Yeah, choose this one. Right now I just copy this. This is a solid one, and I just copy this. Okay, I'm going to display this one. So I just add here. I need to cut this and paste here, and this is capital G, capital M, and I have to copy this and add a comma here and paste that icon. Now it should display, right? Yeah, our search icon is also displaying. You can add a specific icon like this. We can copy this specific name and remove the hyphen and add a camel case, right? This is the way you can add a specific icon. Or otherwise you can, if you want to add a global one, it's like you don't want to specify the image name here. Okay, you can directly add. I'll show you that method. So go here and just find the, yeah, this method, library method. It's at the bottom, I think. Just copy this. Right now, where it is? FA, yes, yeah, this method. I just copy this and paste after this, and I just pass those value after this. And also we need a library, right? So I just copy this one. Yep, paste here. Now everything is fine. Right now I just save this one. Yeah, we don't have any error in the console. Right now we need to use this FA icon, right? FAS icon, so that we can go here directly. I just find this solid here, and I'm going to display this one, right? So we already chose a React.js. I just click here and go to code, and yeah, I just add a h1 tag here. test all importation. Just paste that icon here. Let's see, will it come? Do you think? Yep, it came. Right now that icon is also displaying here. In this way, you don't want to add a specific icons. I mean, you don't want to add a specific icon. You can directly import a all method and import the icon. Okay, here I just display home. I chose a solid, and yeah, I'm going to display this one. Just copy this, go here and paste that and save this. Right now it should display the home. Home, yeah, it is also displaying. Yeah, in this way you can import a Fontawesome icon in your React project. Yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.